Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, we're expecting. So this is just a quick pregnancy announcement that I did for my family and friends. It's so cute, so much fun, and it saves you a lot of money. So basically I bought everything from Michael's. It was so easy. The only thing that I did not buy was the onesies. So I used two colors, the gold and the black. They're both from DecoArt. One is metallic, one is the regular Americana. So I'm not sure if I said it right, Americana. But I also got the stencils from Martha Stewart's, and regular two brushes as well. And on these stencils, all perfect. It has letters, numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and even little designs that you could use. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you. This is basically how it looks like. It's just a simple box, also from Michael's. The ribbon just to make it more shiny. So I basically tape it. Nothing fancy. I'm sure everybody has their own ways of designing the box. That's really up to you. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. And surprise! Oh, that's the wrong way. So hold on, there you go. Well, basically I use regular white paper and I designed it using the stencils and also the same paint, the gold and black. It's a little cute little picture that you just add right onto it. The gold tissue, so adorable. And ta-da! Hi, Yay and Tao. So that's the onesie. I'm Cambodian, so Yay and Tao basically mean the grandparents, grandma and grandpa. So under the onesie I also made a little card. Well, the card came from Michael's, but I basically printed out the fonts and I added the baby's ultrasound into it. So it's like a cute little touch. Like I said, something simple. You don't have to waste a lot of money to announce that you're pregnant. This is like a cute little gift. So what I'm gonna do is to show you, I'm gonna put the book, like use a book or flat surface just to help stretch out the onesie a little bit. It gives it more of like a nice, easy, stable way to use the stencil. So I already made all the shirts, so I'm just basically going to show you how to do the back of this onesie. I'm just going to write 2009 on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put a little bit of the gold paint in one cup and then a little bit of the black paint in the other. Now you don't need to add a lot, trust me, because before when I first started I added so much paint, it was such a waste, and I felt so upset. So just add a little bit at a time as you go. If you need more, just add a little more, but do not fill up the cup like what I did. I don't know what I was thinking, but so yeah, you can work with so many other different colors. For some reason I decided to just go gold and black. So now these are the two brushes, simple brushes, but you just want to make sure that they're flat heads on the top. It makes it easier to do the technique when you're using the stencils. So these are the Martha Stewart's stencils. They're not expensive. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I'm gonna link all of the items and the descriptions and price, everything below, just in case you want to order from Michael's, or if you just want to go to the store and grab it yourself. And the stencils are so easy to work with. All you have to do is just poke it out, and it's so simple, nice and durable. You could use it so many times. I have used it over like 5 times, the same letters, and it still works perfect even with paint on it. I would definitely recommend these stencils, trust me, you will not regret it. So yeah, I'm just taking it out and I'll show you how I paint the shirt. Alright, so the technique is to basically dab. You're just gonna dab it all the way. You're gonna trace it. It's better. Do not paint like as if you're about to paint it. That's not a good way at all. I learned it the hard way. the paint was running all over the place. You really just want to do that technique to continue dabbing all around the stencil. Just want to make sure that up and down motion, just to make sure that paint is only in the area that you need it. You could cut the stencils, of course, but I like to fold it. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm lazy, or maybe because I don't know, but that's what I do. And you just dab it. So that's basically how I made all my shirts. Now, very important, after you finish, you want to make sure that you do heat set it, so therefore when you do wash the baby onesies, the paint won't come off. So make sure you heat set it. I heat set all of my clothes for at least 10 minutes, and that's it. So that's basically how it looks like. Quick, easy, give it to your friends, family, they'll love it. Saves you a ton of money, trust me, ton of money. So if you like the video, let me know, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to share this with all of you guys, and hopefully it helps out the pregnancy announcement. Thank you guys again. Have a wonderful day. I hope to see you soon. Bye.